In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your new CTViSION IP video doorbell. Open up your CTviewer Plus app. First, you need to log in with your CTviewer cloud account. If you don't have one, click the sign up button near the bottom and create an account first. Once you have completed the sign up, log in with your new cloud account. Click the plus icon on the top right and select Scan QR Code. Aim your phone camera at the QR code that says Scan to Add. Here you can go through the instruction on how to physically install the doorbell by clicking the red Install button. If the doorbell is already installed, you can click the bottom text where it says Device Installed. After hardware installation, the next step is the network setup. Pick the option that matches your situation. Do you want the doorbell to connect through Wi-Fi? Or do you want it hardwired with network cable? For the purpose of this demonstration, I will pick Wi-Fi here, since hardwired setup is a no-brainer. For first-time setup, the indicator light on the doorbell should be flashing red slowly, like this. Select the red slow flashing option. Enter your Wi-Fi information. Both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz are supported. If your Wi-Fi is on 6 GHz and is experiencing issues, you might have to create a separate SSID for 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Here, you create the device admin password for the doorbell. Enter it twice to confirm. Place your phone close to the doorbell and wait for it to establish the connection. If you have trouble connecting or if the connection is unstable, consider adding a Wi-Fi extender near the door. Give your doorbell a name. Select your time zone. This will automatically set the clock on the doorbell. For example, our headquarters is located in British Columbia, Canada. Normally, we would pick Vancouver time or Pacific time, which was GMT-8. However, starting in 2026, the province of BC abolished daylight savings, and at the time of making this video, the app has not been updated to reflect the new changes. So depending on when you are watching this, it could already be fixed. But if the clock is incorrect for BC, you might need to select the STD GMT-7 for now as a workaround. If you had inserted an SD card into the doorbell, here is where you format it and prepare it for video recording. That's it. The setup is complete. Now we can go back to the home menu and see live feed from the doorbell. Thanks for watching.